double hookups, he's gone wild. It's all going on here. Let's go, baby. Yeah everyone, welcome back to another episode of Explore Offshore. We left you last time after Matty got that absolutely massive GT in the boat. Woke up this morning, quick snorkel, bit of a feed, and we're out chasing some fish this morning. We're going to do a massive fish and chip cook up. So we're going spearing this morning, a little bit of fishing, and with a bit of luck, we'll be out chasing some marlin on real teaser tomorrow, weather pending. Let's get stuck in.
Yeah, beautiful fish. Sail fin for the win, baby.
Stunning. Oh, good little session with the crew. Just about everyone got onto a fish. Well done, team. Time to head back. Fish and chips. Yeah, baby. Gave away a couple of sail fins, so we've got a sail fin, a longie, and a Maori sea perch. Well, there we go. After a hard day in the office, have a look at the spread the team have put on for us. Absolutely out of control. A couple of cold Larrys and some fish and chips. Food coma coming in hot. Alright, we're just getting ready for the little arvo session. Everyone's trying to grab the best lures they can. The coral trout colour has been absolutely performing. So everyone's blueing over those ones at the moment. But we'll just get the rest of this tackle ready. It's bloody hot. We're keen to get out on the water. Hopefully, I can get a big GT because Matty got a stonker the other day. And I'm a little bit off it. A little bit off it, Matty. We'll see. I got him. Let's go fishing.
In. I'm just going to turn the boat. Oh, no, I'm not. Just follow him a bit, Matty.
Get in the reef.
That's big. That's real big. Get him out off the edge, Matty. We'll pull him out. Did you see that hit? That is gnarly, man.
He's coming up.
Yeah, good. Oh, it's a shark. What?
Oh.
Kidding? That was 100% a G that hit that.
No, that was a G, 110%. There's no way that was a shark.
Oh! Gutted! Absolutely gutted.
We'll get that out easy. Oh, there's two lures in there. What's going on here? Oh my god. What the? Oh yes!
Oh, I can't catch fish, but I can catch lures.
Brand your local tackle shop. The old Samaki pacemaker, mate.
Oh.
These things are worth like $40.
These are small species of trevally. Beautiful colours, nice pink dots to him, but we'll chase the big dogs. See you, mate.
You're the new MC, you got the remix.
Oh, it's a good size. Gee, you son of a...
Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down.
We're on. Matty, the GT Slayer, he's done it again. The big rooster's got absolutely hooked. Well done, Matty. Yeah.
Just the way you like it.
I just hooked up jumping tuna over there. I just hooked up to them. It seriously hit me hard. It snapped off. Bugger. I've stayed on board to keep casting. The boys are over there. I've heard a fair bit of commotion going on. Let's see how they go.
Big sail!
Oh, baby. Yes! Yes! Let it Oh, yes!
Oh!
Yes! Oh! Yes! Yeah, go forward, right. Yeah. Right. Hold on, hold up.
Oh, he's under.
Rod down, rod down, rod down, rod down. Hit down. Ah, you got it.
Oh,
Well done, boys. Well done. That's a capture. Yes, Danny. Hey, caught it! Yeah!
Oh, I tell you what, I'm absolutely spent. The Laser Pro, the old faithful, the red and white, Mr. Coca-Cola. That was my first sailfish, by far the biggest fish I've ever caught. That's what we come out here for. Well, how good's that? The sun goes down on another epic day, as if they can't just keep getting better and better. We did have a corrupt file, so I don't think we've got the footage of it next to the boat. We're not pointing any fingers. Got it! We got leader, fish caught. It was a horse of a sail. But how good's this? Sun's going down, we're heading back, few beers. We are exhausted. Yes, what a spot! Well, Bobo, another day.
Big day.
What a massive day.
Every day is bigger than the last.
They just keep getting better and better. So we went out, we had a cracking little afternoon. How was your arvo?
We were great. We shot a Spanish Mackie on the line. That was good.
Big Mackie.
Big Mackie.
Plenty of fish.
Plenty of fish. Hundreds of fish, actually.
So they're slaving away in the kitchen at the moment. It's a Mexican night, so we're on the margaritas. We've just had nachos. Tacos are coming.
They're good.
Broome tours, absolutely killing it. I'll tell you what, we're going to enjoy this. We will see you in the morning for another hell good day.
Bright and early tomorrow, sunrise dive.
Sunrise dive. We're going to
Doggies, here
have
we
one
come.
last chance chasing the doggies, eh?
We'll get them.
We're going to get them.
We'll get the dogs.
We'll see you in the morning. Hooroo. Start. She's an early one. Boys are going to get the other tender. We are out this morning chasing sunrise doggies. 5 o'clock. Everyone's a little bit slow, but we're on. We're going to head out, see if we can't get one last good spear session in. What a cracking day. There the boys. That's all she wrote. It's over. The doggies evaded us once more. Wasn't through lack of trying.
We tried.
Tried, Bobo. It was a no-no.
The doggies were a no-no.
Oh well. Good news is the weather's sick, so we're going to head straight back to the boat, de-rig, and then we're jumping on a real teaser, and we're heading out to chase some proper big dogs. So who missed the only doggy shot of the day? Who was it?
Bobo.
Bobo. Critter is a no-no.
I said I didn't want to talk about it, especially on camera, mate. Get the thing out of my face!
Righto, we're loading up. We're heading straight over to Real Teaser. We are off to chase the Marlin. So we're going to get all the crew over there, and with a bit of luck, we'll be on. Have a look at the colour of this water, would ya? got his own lure, the critter. Is that going to get the big dogs or
That
what?
should get the big dogs, surely.
Going to get the big dogs.
we want.
Should we get an absolute spoiled on the reel teaser? Look at the spread. I mean, it's not as good as Broome Tours, mate. Don't get me wrong, it's no Broome Tours.
This is just beautiful. Day off. That's I highly recommend. Whenever you're on charter, get down on someone else's boat.
Let's dig in. Mate, it's a double hookup. She's gone wild. It's all going on here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Grab him by the bill. Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, buddy, Ripper! Yeah, baby! Now let him go? Yeah. There, mate. Woo! There he goes. There he goes.
One of the lures that caught the big fish. The old Meridian.
The winner! Well, what an absolutely bloody stellar day. I tell you what, the last lure's just getting wound into the background. Real teaser absolutely turning it on.
Real teaser.
Yeah, real teaser. So look, this is a couple of real teaser crew here. How often do you get a double hook up on a blue marlin?
Oh baby, I'll tell you what, I've done a fair whack of blue marlin fishing. About 15 years.
Yeah.
And it's the third ever double hookup tagged. The water teaser for me, so
2 years on teaser.
one in a million. One in a
First ever
million.
double hookup, so it's a first for me.
There you go, 2 years on reel teaser for Gordy. First hookup, third hookup in 15 years. The crew have absolutely killed it.
And the dogs.
Huge shout out to Real Teaser. There may be a few beers happening this afternoon. What do you reckon? Go Let's go!
Breaking all the rules.
had a few departures this morning. We've lost Crit Dog, Azza, they've taken off. So we're off for one final spear, one last chance to get the dogs. And then we're out of here, which sucks. So let's see how we go. We were fresh out of luck, so we're unloading. It's gonna be time to pack the boat up and set sails. We'll get the sails up the sailboat and we'll be out of here. We are out of here. We've packed everything up. We've got about a 22-hour steam home. It has been an absolutely insane week. Hands down the best offshore trip we have ever done. If you've enjoyed this content, make sure you let us know below. Couple of quick shout outs. BROOME Tours, absolute legends, well and truly went above and beyond. So if you're ever up in Broome, guys, whale watching tours, sunset tours, day trips, and if you're lucky enough, they only do a couple of these every year. So if you've got a group of mad keen spearos, fishos, and you want to come out with someone that sort of lets you guys take control and do the activities you want, I'll put all of their links in the description. Real teaser for letting us on board for a day if you're chasing that hardcore fishing. Get on to the guys at Real Teasers for those offshore charters. New merch is online. Shout out to all our subscribers, you absolute legends. Till next time, make sure you get out and enjoy the Explore life. Hey! Yeah! Woo! What's going on, guys? Hope you enjoyed the latest episode. Now look, we're just jumping on here to give you a bit of a friendly reminder. The National Brisbane 4x4 show is coming up and we're finally going to be there. We've missed it the last 2 years, traveling Australia plus COVID. It is one of the biggest shows, four drive shows in the whole of Australia. It's definitely my favourite. It's my home turf. So we're going to have the 79 series down there along with our big merch tent. We're bringing everything. We've got all the merch coming down along with all of our camping gear. We're even going to have Dean from the Bush Company on our stand. He's bringing down his brand new car. Plus he'll have all the tents and awnings on display for you guys to jump in and out of and have a carry on. Now the best part is, guys, we've got a discount code for you guys to put in. So make sure, buy your tickets online. That way you don't have to line up and pay on the day. So use the code EXPLORE4x4. You'll get 15% off online. We're going to have daily giveaways. Anyone that comes down and says g'day and buys any of our products is going to go in the draw to win prizes that day. We're going to draw them that day on the stand. It's going to be a hell of a lot of fun, guys. You got the biggest names in the industry, the biggest boats, the biggest caravans. Everyone's going to be down there. So I'm bloody excited. Can't wait to see you there. Bro just stabbed me with his knife. Yeah, he just stabbed me with your knife. I passed you the fish up, you came down knife first. He just stabbed the top of my hand. Bounced off his f***ing head. Why's the one with the lure got a spear hole in it? What are you doing here, Matty?
Sailfin. No, this is a Maori sea perch.
I said, what are you doing?
Cooking fish. Look like.
Oh, I can't wait to put these subtitles on. What are you thinking?
Oh, mate.
Let's go! Let's go! Heading out to chase some proper big dogs. Let's get them. Beep.
Let's go!
Oh, you. Knocking off. Azza is done for the day. That's for damn sure. So we will see you in the morning. Let's go!